Lightning Shared Scooter Co. Lssc presents itself as a global scooter sharing platform, but mounting evidence points to a coordinated scam operation. The company claims to offer app-based rentals and passive income through scooter investments, yet users report no actual scooters, fake earnings dashboard, and blocked withdrawals. The Canadian Securities Administrators have issued an investor alert warning that Lssc is not registered and may be operating illegally. Victims describe being recruited through social media and messaging apps, often by family or friends who were promised high returns. Some received promotional gifts like phones to build trust, but no one could withdraw their supposed earnings. Reports link Lssc to other rebranded scams like Andes Mobility and Sell Lead, all using similar websites and tactics. The scheme resembles a Ponzi structure, where early participants profit only by recruiting others before the system collapses. Authorities have flagged multiple domains and aliases tied to the same group. Lssc is not a legitimate business. It's a high-risk financial trap disguised as a tech startup. If approached, do not invest, share personal data, or promote the platform. Report any activity to fraud agencies immediately.